What up, hooligans? You know what time it is. DIY hair cutting fiasco number 3. This time though, I actually have real scissors, so like I have hope that it's going to go better than before. This is my 3rd time, so I have a little bit of prior experience. My hair is pretty long and I want to cut it shorter for the summer. Oh, also because the day that you guys are watching this, it's my birthday on June 5th, so I want to kind of do like a little glow up. Now that I'm thinking about it though, it might be a glow down because we know I'm not a hairdresser. Okay, here's the thing. I actually don't know what I want my hair to look like. I kind of am in the mood to just like make it up as I go, which I feel like I should have like a general idea. I should have like inspiration and like mood boards and stuff. I don't have any of that this time. I'm just gonna like cut and like hope I like whatever happens. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this. All I know is I want it to be shorter than this, so I want to go maybe like this length and then like layers. Well, that's kind of cute. I'm kind of sweating, to be honest. You know how like shags are kind of in, but I'm not like, I'm like a low risk kind of person, so I can't like fully dedicate to a shag. Kind of freaking out right now, to be honest. In my panicked state, this is the perfect time to introduce today's sponsor, Function of Beauty. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. So Function of Beauty makes custom hair care products. Here I have my custom shampoo and conditioner. They're so cute. I decorated with the stickers that they came with. Everything is custom, from the colors, the scents, to the ingredients based on what kind of hair concerns you have. So for me, I wanted to focus on hydrating, strengthening, volumizing, and nourishing the roots. I really want like more volume up top, which is also why I want to cut layers to like give the illusion that I have more volume / more hair in my head. Obviously everyone's hair is different, and that's why I feel like it's so important to have a custom hair care routine. And so you just take this really quick quiz on their website. They will mix up a custom shampoo and conditioner for you. The bottle also says Function of Jennifer. I've been using it for a couple weeks and I have really seen that my hair has like gotten a lot stronger. It like feels really good on my hair. I don't know, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? I also got this custom hair mask treatment, and I just use this once every 2 weeks-ish whenever I need it. Love my Function of Beauty products. They smell amazing. I got the pear scent. I want to try them all, and I just am really obsessed with it, and I think that all of you guys should try having a custom hair care routine because I feel like it just changes your life. Truly. It also has clean ingredients, no GMOs, no parabens, no sulfates, vegan, cruelty-free. So check out Function of Beauty. You can click the link in the description box to get 20% off of your first set. Let's get hair cutting. It is currently 11 p.m. I should have started earlier, but I was procrastinating for like 3 hours and I also didn't know what to do. I still don't really know what to do. Okay, you know what? It's fine. Okay, the first step I know that I for sure have to do is split my hair down the middle. I'm gonna go from the nose. I actually don't know if my nose is like centered on my face. That looks like middle enough to me. I feel like the more I do this, the more uncentered it is. Who cares, you know? It's hair, it'll grow back. Like, I don't really care about my hair that much. Well, maybe I do. Actually, I have no idea. I just don't want to be like ashamed to go outside. I think I should like wet my hair a little bit just so that like everything is straight and will end up kind of okay. I don't have a spray bottle, so I'm just gonna like literally get my hands wet and like make it a little bit wet. I think with this haircut, I finally will be rid of those blonde ends. I'm really excited about that. And I guess we'll just maybe use that as a guide to like the length of my hair, just as long as like all of the blonde is cut off. Yeah, I think it's fine, right? Right? Sorry for being aggressive. Just kind of stressed out here. Okay, so what should I do first? I think I'm just gonna put it in 2 sections and cut it. I want to like give myself layers, and so I just need to cut a chunk of it off first. I think I don't really need to care about it that much at this point, right? I don't think I really need to cut off that much this time. Like that much? I definitely did not split my hair in the right part because this chunk is like a lot thicker than this chunk. I guess I'm just gonna cut. Definitely like, I'm gonna start like small. Yeah, let's just do it, right? YOLO. Do I care that much? Not really. Oh my god, no. I need to be like those TikTok, like, oh, I need to be like those 15-year-old girls who are like, I don't care. I'm going bald. Screw it. Bro, this is taking forever. That's not straight. That's not straight. Look at this, guys. That is half a parabola. Should I try to fix it right now, or do I care enough? You know what, I'm just gonna cut the other side first, and we'll worry about it later. Is that, okay, fine. Yeah, that's fine. Actually, maybe it is a good idea that I'm like cutting my hair so late at night, because I just like don't have the energy to freak out. I don't know why it's always like this. This side is definitely not straight. I'm gonna try to cut. Okay, you know what also the issue is, like, I'm kind of blind, so I can't see myself in the mirror that much. Should I be wearing glasses right now? Should I go get my glasses? You know what, I actually think I'm gonna go get my glasses. I'm gonna like point cut a little bit. Is that like fine? If 15-year-old girls can do like literally like wolf cuts, like I'm fine, but I'm just like a little bit freaking out. Kind of relaxing, to be honest. Bangs, anybody? Oh my god, blonde bangs. Oh my god, hello?
That's kind of fire if you ask me.
And it also kind of looks like a broomstick. Do I kind of look like Dua Lipa? Like when she had her like blonde, like little like blonde. Oh my god, I look like Keith Urban again. Oh my god, the return of Keith Urban. Doesn't he have like blonde bangs? I just want to like talk. Like, who told him that was okay? Oh shoot. Oh my god, kind of fire. Oh, okay, kind of lit. Oh yeah, that might be a problem. Again, it's just this one piece. I wonder if I can like cut up. No, I can't. I can't. I can't, no, I can't do it. Okay, see, I don't know which piece it is. Okay, I got it. Did that help at all? Okay, you know what, whatever. I'm not gonna be seeing the back, so it doesn't exist. Like, we're not freaking out. Like, we're not gonna freak out. We're not doing that. Okay, so I'm gonna start the layers now. Wait, what? Looks like I am supposed to wrap from the middle of my scalp down to my ear. Okay, I think I should take off my glasses. But then I can't really see, so that's kind of the issue. It's like, do I want to see or do I never finished my sentence. That looks like a good section, right? Like that line is like kind of not straight, but whatever. We accept everybody. Why is there so much more hair on this side? Do I just have a lopsided scalp? Okay, and then she took like this section. Is that like even? Is that even Steven? Oh, I think I'm so funny. I think I need to like wet it a little more though. So straight up. Straight up. How do I know how much to cut off? I don't know what I'm doing. Screw it. I'm just gonna, well. Okay, whatever. Okay, that like kind of did nothing. Add more hair. Yikes. I don't know about that one, guys. Alas, we shall keep going. Oh, okay, that's like not, I'm just gonna, I don't even know if that looks much better, to be honest. I actually don't want to cut my hair anymore, and I also want to go back to the long hair. I just want to get it over with at this point. I don't think I'm doing this right. Okay, well, I'm just gonna keep going. It's not like bad, it's just not like good. Should I just honestly soak my whole head at this point? There should be two different lengths, like the first one is the guide. I don't really see anything. Okay. So I'm just gonna do that and hope it's okay. Ew. Why does it look like that? Bro, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Ew. Oh my god. Why does it look like that? I don't like it. I need my glasses back. I like can't see anything. Why does it look like that? Well, I'm just gonna keep going. I can't really stop at this point. This looks horrendous. Like it literally looks so bad. Look at this. It goes from short to long, like long at the front. Bro, I can't even sew anywhere. I have to sew myself. At this point, I don't even know. There's absolutely no way. There's absolutely no way. That looks absolutely disgusting, and I refuse to believe that's my hair. I literally don't know what to do. Look at how bad this, like I don't know if you can see, but these are not layers. These are chunks. You know what? Maybe I am just going to cry. Okay, I'm just gonna move on to the curtain bangs and like hope that fixes everything. I hope. Brad Mondo said middle of the head to like here-ish. Sure. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. Sure. You know what? Sure. And then I'm supposed to see where I want to cut it. Isn't that like kind of short? Oh, I don't think that's short enough. He said to do it this way. Oh my god, this is so hard. It's not that bad. We don't have to freak out yet. Although we have been freaking out, to be honest, for like the past half hour. Ooh, wait, that's kind of a vibe. Okay, this side is kind of bad, but this side is not that bad. That doesn't look bad, but I want to go shorter, actually. Okay, guys. I kind of look like an elf, but here are the bayangs. I think they're not bad. Wait, I kind of like these. It does give like, whoa, it does give layers. It makes the rest of the hair look not that bad. Wait, I kind of mess with that. Okay, last step maybe is to try to blend it in a little bit. Brad Mondo said add like ½ an inch. That looks about okay. Okay, how do I cut from this side? I don't know. Can I like flip it like this? Here it is. Okay, final thoughts. Let's start with the positives because that's all that matters. It's not all that matters, but it's all that matters right now. I really like the bayangs. I think these were very successful and they're so wispy and like, you know, like woo. But then when we let the hair down, it's just like a little chonky. Like it's just like too blunt. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this and maybe eventually I'll get it fixed at a salon or something. I don't really know. I also think it'll look better when it's styled. But for now, this is it. It's like not bad. Actually, I can't see that well. Oh, I kind of look like I'm 15. So this is it. What do we think? I think it looks fine. Well, okay, here I guess we'll stay tuned to see like how I eventually style it and stuff, and maybe it'll look better. I wouldn't say it's like unsuccessful. Okay, I'm gonna call some of my friends and see their reactions because I haven't told anyone. Oh my god. Ready?
What are you showing me? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, this one is like not that good, but like the bangs are okay.
I'm not mad at it.
I haven't actually looked at the back. Do you want to check? Is it bad?
Is it supposed to be a triangle?
Damn it, it's always a triangle.
Girl.
I haven't looked at I was like, I don't care about the back because I can't see it, so it doesn't exist to me. It's like a good
Ooh, I like that.
little bang moment. I tried so hard to like layer it, but I just can't do it.
To the salon we go. It looks good from the front, but from the back it's just a triangle.
Oh, all right. My friend Sabrina is calling back.
Ready?
Ooh! Dude, wait, did you cut like curtain bangs or?
Yeah, I tried a little.
I like it.
Thank you. But this part is really like, it's like too much bulk. Like I tried to layer it, but I couldn't. Okay, wait, look at the back.
Okay, I'm ready. wait, turn fully back. Oh my god, what is going on?
Is it bad?
I can see what you were going for, like the V, but it's also
No, I wasn't going for the V. I was trying to make it straight.
From the front's good.
I think I need to go to like a salon to get it fixed. It's the next morning and I have styled it. I just used like a straightener and like kind of worked with it until it looked like something decent. Yeah, I think I really like it now. I think I'm still gonna go get it fixed. I still don't know like what I'm trying to go for, so that I think is the issue, is like when you don't know what you're trying to do. Like the whole time I like never had any inspo pics and I was just like, let's just cut something and that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Moral of the story is maybe you should cut your hair yourself, but have a plan. We're about to go on a picnic and maybe I'll take some Instagram pictures, so check out my Instagram at JENerationDIY for hair pics and future pics. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!